What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at the new Nike Fear of God MOC in the pure platinum colorway. Here we go. Alright, so this shoe here released on April the 27th, 2019 alongside the Fear of God Raid in the light bone colorway, and if you want to see the review of that shoe, click on this link right here in the video. But this shoe is kind of the simpler out of the two, and actually my favorite, while everyone else is kind of gearing towards the Raid sneaker. I liked the MOC a lot more. They released for a price of $170 US, or up here in Canada, $225 Canadian. My girlfriend and I, we were able to get 4 pairs, 2 of the MOC and 2 of the Raid in our color. Now, while that sounds impressive, the store we were at only had 15 pairs of each, and we were number 8 and number 9 in line at the store in downtown Toronto. Now, while the MOC sneaker was originally previewed in a black and a light pink colorway, this, the pure platinum light blue color, is actually the first one to release out of all 3. Now, as you can see, this box is finished in a very light orange or salmon color with a striking glossy Nike swoosh logo on the entire upper portion of the box. And then the side white portion of the box is very reminiscent of the older Nike basketball, or Air Jordan to be specific, sneakers. They are the drawer style box with the center ring to pull out the drawer. And then on the style tag, we do see that it says Nike Air / Fear of God MOC, and this is the pure platinum / black sail colorway. And last but not least, the style code is AT8086-001. Alright, let's open the box and see what these look like. Okay, and here is the shoe. So the entire upper construction of this shoe is kind of a nylon, very similar to like a Cordura nylon backpack feeling, which is the entire upper. On the toe box, you do see that we have this stitching detail, which is the same outline or cutout as the actual toe box itself, kind of as if they were mapping out every single size of the shoe. Speaking of stitching, the 2 panels that the shoe is made out of is stitched together in a zigzag stitch, very similar to the Yeezy 350 version 1 and version 2, but not quite as striking. It's just kind of like done on there very subtly. Also on the front, which is the only way to actually secure the shoe to your feet besides this little dongle thing, is this big Velcro strap. The Velcro strap does stretch a bit, and that is where the black sail color comes into play. It is a rubberized, kind of embossed Nike logo on that strap. On the side of the upper, we do have this Nike branded matte silver finished button, which again is just for accessing the actual shoe itself and then closing it back up. It is a kind of a magnet system, which is not that strong, but ideally you wouldn't be doing things too abrasive in this sneaker anyway, so it should hold up just fine. And then one other way to make sure the upper portion of your shoe, or of your heel at least on your foot, is secured into the shoes is there is a drawstring with a spring closure on the back, again in that black sail color. It's just black, but black sail color. And this little piece right here on the end of the drawstring on the Raid was actually branded with Air Fear of God. On this one it is not, it is just a plain cream color finish. The midsole is done in this kind of off-white cream rubber style finish with the words Air 180 Fear of God, and then it says SN 8329166. I'm assuming that is some sort of serial number attached to the actual shoe itself. If you can tell me what those mean, please do, because I'm assuming it means something. It wouldn't just be random, but if you know what it means, leave a comment down below. I would love to learn about what those numbers represent. The Air 180 branding is of course reminiscent of the actual Nike Air 180 sneaker, which is why they put that clear translucent rubber portion on the midsole, and the outsole looks just like the original Nike Air 180 sneaker. And then finally on the outsole, on that clear portion, we do have a black Nike swoosh, and the rest is done in this light off-white cream color with a square pattern throughout. But without further ado, let's get these on my girlfriend's feet and see what they look like in action. Now personally, I did not try these on as none of these are my size, but from what my girlfriend has told me, these are actually not the most comfortable shoe out there. They don't have a lot of upper support, so it kind of felt like you had a very heavy, thick base, but the top of your foot or even your ankles were kind of flimsying and flying all over the place. While the Raids had a lot more support and were kind of almost too tight to your foot, this is a bit too loose. There's not enough grip on the actual upper portion of your foot. But with all that being said, with these not having a lot to strap onto your foot with, my girlfriend does note that these are a true to size sneaker. And that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe, and please comment down below what you want to see more of and what you want to see less of. I love hearing from all you guys, but I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.